My name is Anlaksha.
And I'm Visandika.
We are from Baroda School Danteshwara, English medium after Unchi. Our project name is Green Aura and theme is Green Energy.
We have noticed that our environment is getting polluted too much because of the increasing of carbon footprint. So what is carbon footprint? Carbon footprint means the total amount of greenhouse gases and carbon dioxide released into the atmosphere because of the human activities such as transport, industries and electricity, etc. Because of this increasing carbon footprint, the major problems such as global warming and climate change occur.
So by seeing this problem, we have created this project. Our project have three main features. First of all, smart carbon emission monitoring system. Second, hydrogen generator. And third, air purifier. These all features comes under SDG 13 climate action, SDG 7 clean and affordable energy, SDG 3 good health and well-being. So now let us understand these features. First, smart carbon emission monitoring system. We have designed this system to monitor how much voltage is used by an appliances and carbon emission done through it. With the help of IoT, we can also see this data in our phone. Here we have taken an example of EV station and let us assume this DC motor as a car's battery. When this car's battery will be connected to the EV station and when we will switch on this system, it will show the carbon emission done by this battery while charging. This system will help to make people aware of the harmful impact of their appliances. Now second feature is hydrogen generator.
In today's world, the hydrogen the carbon emission from vehicles is a major problem. To reduce this, we have made the hydrogen generator. Hydrogen is a clean fuel which do not release the carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases when it is used. By using hydrogen as an alternative resource, we can reduce our carbon footprint and the dependence on the fossil fuels. The purpose of this is to show you that how you can move to a carbon-free future.
Now third feature is this air purifier. We have noticed that the air pollution has become a serious problem in today's world. The air present around us contains smoke, dust and harmful gases. These all things are not good for health. By inhaling this air, we can be sick and we can get allergies. So to solve this problem, we have created this. This air purifier passes from two stages. First, the HEPA filter paper, and second, activated carbon. Dust particles, small particles get separated out from HEPA filter, and the bad smell, harmful gases. These all things get separated out in the activated carbon box. And from backside, the clean air will be removed. We are sure that by this all system, we can definitely reduce carbon emission. Thank you.